Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. What was going on? What was going on in the previous class?
We have completed log answer chapter 2.
Please long answer is
And today we are doing long answer questions.
Okay, let me mute everyone first. Let me mute everyone first.
Then
Let me unmute first. Okay, now I will unmute one student. Dharya Singh, unmute yourself. Dharya Singh. Dharya Singh, unmute yourself.
yes, sir.
Dharya Singh voice is not coming properly. Akanksha Ayushi, unmute yourself. Akanksha Ayushi. Akanksha
yes,
Ayushi.
sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me what was going on.
Sir, we need chapter 2 long answer question.
Chapter 2 long answer questions. All long answer questions has been completed or something was left.
Sir, 5 number.
5 number was left. Okay,
Five.
read out the question. Read out the question.
What should you do to take good care of bones and muscles?
Okay, right. I am writing answer here, and at page number 31 answer is given at page number 31. Okay, I am writing also here. Right, we should go out in the open. We should go out in the open. Okay. I am writing here. We should go out. We should go out in the open because sunlight source of vitamin D, which helps to make our bones strong. Then we have to write we should take milk. And its products. Cheese. Cheese, yogurt, and paneer. every day. Then you can write third one. We should also eat protein. Protein rich foods like eggs, pulses, fish, and meat. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Is it properly visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fruits, green vegetables, at last. Write one line only. We should do regular exercise. Okay, this is the answer of question number 5, long answer question. And what is the last question? G number also is given na? In G number question.
Yes, sir. Jog your mind.
Read out question.
What is this game called? Does muscles strength play an important role in this game? Why?
Okay, what is the name of this game? Tell me.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. That is very easy. Arm wrestling. Arm wrestling. In Hindi it is called हाथ की लड़ाई पंजा लाना, like that. In Hindi it is known as. In English it is known as arm wrestling. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the game? What is this game called? So okay, I am writing answer of G number. This game is called arm wrestling. This game is called arm wrestling. Then after that, right, strength is important in arm wrestling. Strength. Strength is important in arm wrestling. But using proper technique, can make a huge difference. Okay, now it is done. Any question is left now?
No, sir.
So we'll begin chapter 3 today. All of you have written. All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Then we'll begin today. That chapter 3, I think.
Yes, sir.
Garima, any problem? Understood? Now, how your hand is broken? Garima, unmute yourself.
Yes,
How your hand is broken now?
No.
What did you tell?
Sir,
You were playing,
yes, sir.
so you broke your hand.
Sir, I have a doubt.
That how your hand has broken. You have doubt in your hand.
No, sir. Chapter 1, I have doubt.
In chapter 1, you have doubt.
Chapter 2, written G number and not written chapter 1 F number. Jog your mind.
Jog your mind. I have written answer here. You see here. This game is called
Sir,
arm wrestling.
Sir, chapter 1 in chapter 1 not it.
What are you saying? I am not able to understand. What is chapter 1, chapter 2? This question is in chapter 2. In chapter 2, G number, jog your mind, answer I have written.
Sir, chapter 1 also F number not written.
Chapter 1, F number.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me check chapter 1, F number. What is it? Chapter 1, question number F. Let me check. Okay, chapter 1, F number, jog your mind is left. So we'll write here,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. That day we did not see. It is suggested that in case of any blood test, the doctor should use a fresh syringe and a fresh needle. What could be the reason behind this? Very easy. The reason is infection. It is suggested that in case of any blood test, the doctor should use a fresh syringe and a fresh needle. Why? Because you can get infection. One line answer only. What could be the reason behind this? So we have to write the reason behind this is that we can get infection. Right? I am writing here. Okay, I am writing here. F number. Chapter 1, F number. Chapter 1. Question number F, answer. It is suggested that in case of any blood test, the doctor should use a fresh syringe and a fresh needle. What could be the reason behind this? Right answer. It is suggested that in case of any blood test, the doctor should use a The doctor should use a fresh syringe and a fresh needle so that patients can be saved. Patients can be saved. Patient could be saved. Could be saved. Patients could be saved from infection. From infection. Okay, Garima, have you written? Now, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so today we will begin very new chapter, components of food. What is it written? Let me open the book. First, let me know everybody has written this answer or not. All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
This one, chapter 1F. Chapter 1F number answer, it is suggested that in case of any blood test, the doctor should use a fresh syringe and a fresh needles so that patients could be saved from infections. Okay, now I am going to open book on the screen. Let me open book on the screen. What kind of sound is coming from your house, Akanksha? Don't make sound.
Okay, sir.
Chapter 3. Let me find out chapter 3. This is chapter 3. Yes. Are you able to see book?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us begin today. Chapter 3. The name of this chapter is Food and Health. Food and Health. This is your favorite chapter, Garima, because you take a lots of food. So this is your favorite chapter, isn't it? Garima, is it your favorite chapter? Is it your favorite chapter?
No, sir.
Why? Because you take a lot of food and you have become like a football. Okay, let us begin. Food and health. So here you are seeing the picture of food in the shape of pyramid, and here
Yes.
at the down it is written components of food. So we know that food is essential for the survival of living organisms. All human beings, all animals, and all humans and animals need food. It provides us with energy to carry out daily activities and develop, grow, and repair our body parts in case of any damage. So therefore, understanding the importance of consuming the right kind of food becomes a necessity. Means it is necessary to understand what kind of food we should take and what kind of food we should not take. Most of the items available today are adulterated in many possible ways. The food that we consume comes from innumerable sources and the variety is huge. You can think of the last meal you had and list down sources from which your food was obtained. This helps us understand how food varies in its sources and components. So here we have been given the components of food. So components of food has been labeled here. Fats, oils, and sweets. This is a part of components of food. Then milk and milk products, fruits, breads and grains, and other starches. Then pulses, eggs, fish, meat, vegetables. So these are the components of food. What are these? These are the components of food. Yes, fats, oils, and sweets. Milk means carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, fats. These are the components of food. Okay. Components of foods are, you can say components of foods are following, like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, iodine, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, fibers, and waters. These are components of food. Okay. What are the components of foods? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, iodine, calcium, etc. We will learn about what we will learn after going through this chapter. When we will complete this chapter, when we will understand this chapter, so what you will learn these 7 points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 1 points is given components of food. First of all, we are going to study about the components of food. Okay, first of all, we'll study about components of food. After that, junk food and its adverse effects. Then we will study about junk food also, and what are the bad effects of junk foods on our health. That also we will study about. Then number 3 is written diseases caused by bad food habits and their prevention. Then we'll come to know about bad food habits. Bad food habits means those foods which you eat near roadside, and the market foods like gupchup, chaat, and all those things. Means junk food, pizza, burger, like that. Then number 4 is written deficiency diseases and prevention. Then we'll study about the deficiency diseases and prevention. Means what kind of diseases you can get. Need for a balanced diet. Then we'll study about the balanced diet. How to make diet healthier and their prevention. How to make diet healthier, that also we'll study about. Then food adulteration. Then what is food adulteration, that also will come to know. So these are the important things we'll come to know by going through this chapter. So let us understand one by one. So first here it is written rewind. Here, see here, Garima, you are not concentrating here. Garima, you are not concentrating here. Rewind. Rewind means whatever we have studied in our previous classes, that we are going to rewind. Here, what question is written? Tick the foods which are good for your health. So tick the food which are good for your health. So tell me, this is milk. Okay, milk we can take. Okay, and this is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so in Coca-Cola put cross, and chips, Lay's chips,
No, sir.
No, sir.
cross. Then burger, pizza. This is a picture of sandwich. Sandwich also cross. Then that burger also cross. And then fruits you have to take. Then this is also pizza, I think, cross, and eggs you have to take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us come to the next page at page number 35. Sorry, at page number 36. This is page number 35. We'll go now at page number 36. Okay, let us understand this paragraph. You have read in your previous classes that food gives us energy to work and play, helps us grow and fight diseases. Yes, these things already we have studied in our previous classes. I think when you were there, when you were in class 3C, that time I also used to teach GSC. You were there na?
Yes, sir.
So 2 years ago I also have taught you. 2 years ago. Yes.
You were in class
Yeah.
teacher.
Oh, I was I was the class teacher of class 3C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the substances present in food that helps to do this are called nutrients. See, the substances present in food that helps us to do this. To do this means what? Means they help us to work, play, helps and grow and fight diseases. If those substances which let us to do these things, they are called nutrients. Okay, the substances present in food that helps us to do this are called nutrients. We need to eat different kinds of food in a meal, okay, so that we get all the nutrients required to remain healthy. So in our food, in our meal, we should take each kind of, you know, all kind of food, so that we can get in a, we can get all the energy, we can get all the energy and power, all these things. Before you start eating your food, look carefully at it. What is there on your plate usually? In North India, a meal generally consists of chapati, green vegetables, rice and dal. Similarly, in South India, a meal may consist of idli or dosa, or rice with sambar and vegetables. Imagine if your food consisted only of chapati or rice or idli or dal every day. How long would you able to eat such food? We will not continue, you know, for a long time. Always idli, dal and dosa. You need different kinds of food to satisfy your taste and also to get all the required nutrients. So that we will get in components of food. So let us read about now components of food. There are mainly 5 types of nutrients in our food. How many nutrients are there in our food? There are mainly 5 types of. How many?
5 types.
5 types. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, learn it. There are mainly 5 types of nutrients in our food. There are only 5 types of nutrients in our food. Those are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. In addition to these, we need roughage and water. In addition to these, we need roughage and water also. Though roughage is not nutrient, yet it is needed for the smooth functioning of our digestive system. So let us read about them in detail. So now we are going to study about the components of food in detail. First of all, we have got the carbohydrates. So let us study about carbohydrate first. Carbohydrate provide energy to our body. See, carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Rice, bread, potatoes, chapati, and banana contain carbohydrates. So these kind of foods means rice, bread, potatoes, chapati, and banana. In these kind of foods, there are carbohydrates are there. So if you eat rice, bread, potatoes, chapati, and banana, so you will get carbohydrate. Then number 2, fats. Fats also provide energy, but they provide much more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, fats provide much more energy than carbohydrates. So we must take them in small quantities. So we have to take fats in a very small quantities. Like in what kind of foods fats are there? Butter, ghee, oil, and nuts are rich in fats. Means in these kind of foods, butter, ghee, oil, and nuts, you will get fats. Lots of fats are there in these kind of foods. Extra fat is stored in our body under the skin and provides energy whenever the body needs it. Now we have proteins. Proteins are needed for growth and repair of our body. They also build muscles and heal wounds in case of an injury. So whatever injury we get, so that is healed by just because of proteins. If we will not take proteins in our body, so our wounds will not be repaired soon. Children need more protein since it helps in the growth and development of their muscles. In what kind of food we get proteins? We get proteins in milk, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, cheese, and nuts are good source of protein. Okay. So here you have got some pictures also. Carbohydrate rich foods. See, carbohydrate rich foods are here. In these kind of foods, you will get carbohydrate, grapes, bread, sweet potato, and the brown rice. Sweet potato means that sweet potato. Have you eaten, Ayushi?
Yes, sir.
What is what is it called in Hindi? It is called in Hindi, I think, mitha aloo or sakarkand, like that it is called. Sakarkand, yes, sakarkand. So this is full of carbohydrates. Then butter and dry fruits, ice cream and cheese, these are fat rich foods. If you take butter, dry fruits, ice cream, and cheese, so you will get fat. Then here, proteins rich food. In what kind of foods you get proteins? Pulses, soya beans, eggs, and meat. Okay, pulses, soya bean, eggs, and meat. So today till page number 36 only. And next day we'll continue page number 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Any problem to understand? Any problem to understand?
No, sir.
Any problem? Okay.
No, sir.
So I'm going to unmute to all of you for saying bye. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank you, sir.
everyone. Bye. Keep studying at home.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.